Hi guys, welcome to the workshop. So introduce myself again. My name is Jairus Jimenez, and I am an AI engineer. I'm also joined by my colleagues, Jason, Michael, and where's Carlos? Yes, gone. They will be the co-facilitators of this workshop. So please, could you open the notebook, the Jupyter notebook? Okay. So, yeah, is it already open in your? Okay. Okay, let's start. Yeah, maybe you know this guy. Okay, so much of what we do every day involves vision. From when we read the news, from getting to one place or another, or just understand each other's emotion. Vision is such an important aspect of our lives that researchers and developers are looking for a way to enhance or replicate computer vision to an application or machine. But the challenge to create an application or a machine to perceive the world as effective as we can has been a problem for so many years. But recently, there has been advancements in deep learning and artificial intelligence. And because of this, we finally achieved scientific breakthroughs in computer vision. Computer vision researchers develop models that can outperform humans in recognizing objects from digital images or videos. These computer vision models are now famously used in Google's reverse image search, Facebook's face recognition, and this one. This is some spooky stuff, yo. Rest in peace, my non-existent front-end skills, because the machine can actually do the stuff. Oh, sorry. Ooh. Oh well. Okay. Okay, back to the topic. In 2007, Fei Li, now the director of the Stanford AI Lab, realized that computer vision researchers cannot manually label the complexity and variability of our natural world. So she set out on a mission to build a massive data set of images, and in 2010, the first ImageNet competition was held. Fast forward to 2015, Google's brain team from Google's AI organization developed TensorFlow. Does anyone here know TensorFlow? You know? Yeah, really? Could you do a brief about you? Can you? What's your name, sir?
Jesse.
Jesse, can you, what you know about TensorFlow?
It's a specific package in Python, mostly for neural network research.
Yeah. Good. That's a clap. Yeah. Thanks. TensorFlow is an open source library used for high performance numerical computation, deep learning, and machine learning. In 2015, Google Brain's team used TensorFlow to train the Inception V3 model for ImageNet large-scale visual recognition competition, and it won first runner-up. Their models are openly available to everyone. So thanks to this, we will use the Inception V3 model in our application. For the application itself, we'll develop the UI and incorporate the Inception V3 model using the Kivy library. Does anyone know Kivy? Kivy library? Yeah, okay. Kivy library is used for rapid development of applications that make use of innovative user interfaces. It is a graphical user interface toolkit. It is highly attractive for developers because, correct me if I'm wrong, okay? But based on their website, Kivy is the only viable way to code in Python on mobile devices. No? Yeah? Yeah, that's based on their website. No? No reaction? No hard reaction? Okay. Kivy is also attractive because you can use one application to multiple operating systems. We will use Kivy to develop the UI and use its widget. Its wide array of widgets. We can use the camera widget to use the built-in camera in our machine, laptop, to export an image, and then use the Inception V3 model to classify and examine what it recognizes from the image, and then we'll return what the results are of Inception V3 to our application. Okay, this is now the real work, the workshop. Could you please go back to the folder and then open the student copy image record. Hi, welcome. Hi. You guys can sit here. Can you access the notebook? Yeah, yeah. You can sit here. For the newcomers, do you guys have devices or laptop? Okay. Now we will set up computer vision with Kivy using TensorFlow. First, that we're gonna do for today is to build the UI. Okay. Please create a Python file named main for our application. Hi. You guys can access this website if you have a smartphone or anything. Just to, but I'll be previewing it in. Did everybody create a main for Python? Yeah, I'm continue, okay? So building the UI, first we'll import the Kivy packages and its classes. The app class is base for creating the Kivy applications. The Kivy.uix module contains classes for creating and managing widgets. We need to import the subclass box layout under the Kivy.uix module. Number 3, the builder class, which is used for the registering and managing and application of rules for specific widgets. Number 4 is the label widget, which is used for rendering text. The button widget, which is also a label, but it has its own event triggers when it's pressed or touched. So this is the sample code. I'll let you guys fill in the blanks. This is the instruction. If you guys have any questions during the workshop, you could raise your hand and my co-facilitators will come and help you.
Just for I guess, just to ask, what exactly are we trying to put in there?
What?
We'll just
Okay, guys have any questions so far? So far. Yeah. Can you guys? Yeah. Have you already imported the packages or the classes? Just for the newcomers, we're building the app itself. First, we'll start with the UI. You know, the boilerplate thing, Python. We import the Kivy and then import the classes that that is needed for this application. Yeah. We'll be using the app class and the box layout from the Kivy.uix module, the builder, then the label widget, and the button widgets. Guys, if you have smartphone, this is the website. You can access this one. If you're Accenture. We set up, I think you need to set up a notebook for everyone, for them to see. Okay, I'll continue on. The builder. The builder is from the Kivy.
Kivy lang.
Yes. Then we'll insert a string to the language builder and it will return a root widget. For the orientation of our app, we'll use vertical. In the language builder section, we will add 3 parameters to the button widget. Add a text. It can be any text if you want. Capture image, export. Then we'll snap its position to the bottom of the application. We'll use the parameter size hint y to none, and then set its height to 45 or 50 dp. This is the fill in the blanks. Guys, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I'll be checking. What's your progress, bro?
Yung builder.
Yeah. Yes.
Kivy.
Pero i-install na yung Kivy sa...
Yep.
Yes.
So na-import yung Kivy.
Yes.
Yung builder hindi.
Kivy.ux, but... Yeah, the builder.
I think we might need to help the question what exactly from what package to pull.
Yes, sir. The builder is from the Kivy.lang class. Do you want? Okay, sorry, sorry. Oops. Yeah. Ah, yeah. Ah, sorry, sorry. This one. Password is Pycon 2019. Yeah, access it. This is what's gonna look like if you imported the class. We'll use the, sorry, I didn't add the, but we'll use the Kivy.lang for the builder and Kivy.app.
We don't need to pip install Kivy to make it work, right?
We already set up an environment for that, yes. They just need to create a Python file inside the, where the what the notebooks are.
Oh, okay, so I think you have your own notebook.
Yeah.
It's online.
Oh, okay. So if so for example, if he logs into his
Yes, in the folder. You can create a main that, sorry, with,
so he needs to log into
yeah,
Accenture
yes.
Python 2019.
The folder where the notebooks are, you can create, we set up the environment there. So you can put the Python file there. So you don't need to install the Kivy or the other packages anymore because you already set up the environment. After we import the package, this will be what our boilerplate will look like.
Which folder is he?
What
number was yours?
I think it's 8. Yeah. 9. Then you could open the 10th folder. Can you access the? Yeah.
So I'm using folder number 9. Oh, you're using 9. So
Okay. 11. 11. Yeah, yeah. Nice one. 11. Yeah, after we imported the boilerplate, we'll add a language builder. After the boilerplate, you could copy this, and then put it. Then for the text, you could choose any word you want that basically says it will capture an image. For the size hint, we will need to set it to none, so that it will snap on the bottom of the application. And for the height, you decide if you want 45 or 48 or 50.
Where like the building like a window.
Yeah,
Maybe
this is, wait. Basically, we'll build this application, this UI. Okay? So it will look like this if I... So our main.python file will look like this after you've done the...
small letter A. Yeah.
does anyone have question? Okay.
Can
Yo.
The Kivy dot.
Oh, dito.
Small letter.
Yeah,
and
yes.
the V2 button.
Yes, because it's not yet, my lint is not working yet because it's not saved as a Python file. But yeah, it's...
No, not V2. It's just like that. It was a typo. It should work. So smaller. Yeah.
Are you guys done? Okay. Ah, yeah, sorry.
Weird kasi kapag underscore siya,
Yeah.
nagumagana siya. Pero
Yep.
nung pinalitan ko siya ng number,
Yes?
na the end of file error.
Yes, because hindi pa actually binibuild yung application during that time. It's just an... Okay. Okay, then we'll continue on. We will create a base class which inherits the box layout. It would need to be the same text as the builder from the language builder string. For now, we'll just create a pass method. Nice, bro.
Someone's asking a question. Why is it
Oh.
hesitant?
Well, none?
Yeah.
Because it's relative to the y-axis. So if you... Yes. Guys, if we can make the site, we'll up it until tomorrow, so you can access the site and apply it in their home to try out the stuff. Just save the website that we... Okay, everybody done? Okay. It can't actually work right now pa, so then we'll create a base class which builds the capture image class and the app class to its parameter. Oh, there's Spock.
Is there anyone who will do code, or do you want to get folder? Or is the temperature okay? It's okay.
It's okay. Are you? Yeah. Okay. 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 Goodbye. For documentation. Yes. Okay. So if you're done, you could now run the application, and you will now have a working button without nothing else yet, but it's working. If you can. Unexpected DOF. Could you go up? For KB, builder that loads it. Can you go builder? Builder, give me that lang. Yep. UIX, BIOX layout. Yes. You have the height should be. Could you go up? Orientation, you could put vertical. Yeah. Yeah. Run. Oh, unexpected. The module name is this from the end ba? Could you copy paste this and then go here to the CRT folder? Yeah, CRT. Then create then create a Python 2. Yes, then you can copy. Then test it if it can. Anyone countering submission? Oh, sorry.
How
can I?
Just a question. Someone's having a problem with height column 48 DP. Is it
What? You too?
Line 7.
Yeah, 48 dB.
It's
Invalid syntax.
Yeah, I think we're having the same.
You could put orientation vertical because I think it's not.
It's not in.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. I forgot.
Okay. That's okay. It's missing.
Yeah. Oh, unable to get a window board. Oh, I see. You need to install. If you, sorry, I actually encountered that issue. Then I did this, Conda install Kivy. Then it worked for me. It's the window provider error, right?
So I've got to do that.
Yeah, window provider. Yes. Hi guys, for the newcomers, do you have your machine? Do you have your machine? Yeah. Okay. For the newcomers, please please go to this website. Net.
I think the problem with the notebook is that you need to execute this first before you can actually do
yes.
this. So that because it needs to I think see this.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah, but
I think everyone is executing
yes.
this first.
Could you please scroll up? When they run this, it's saying system exit 1. I see.
This one.
Yeah. For some reason, everybody is having some rush.
Sorry, what was it? Just you. I didn't see. What was it?
I see. It's just Conda install Kivy. This one. Are you having an issue?
Nag-black screen na siya after i-run yung block.
What?
Nag-black screen siya after i-run yung block. Ay, sorry. Okay.
Whoa. Really? MacBook. Can you please, can I see ako? Builder, download. It's up. Go up. Box layout up. Okay, go ba lang? Then, orientation, could you put vertical in string format? And then, please run. Why is it running full screen though? Could you escape? Navigated box layout. Image recognition. Image recognition that one. Did you install all the dependencies, packages?
Gamit ko Conda.
Conda, yeah.
Kaya,
That's the first error. Black screen. Okay. Could you go back, please? Okay, vertical, capture image. Name main image recognition. Go up. Go up. Okay, box layout. Bro, have you encountered this issue? Just black screen. Did you run the, sir? Did you run the, it's installing.
No, it's not installing.
Solving the environment. Could you press enter?
So, let's see.
It's happened. Conda.
It's been going on for quite a while.
Could you run it again? Here.
Okay.
Yes. Control C, then stop. Yeah, stop there. Then run the command again.
Supposed to take that.
Yeah. Solving the environment. I think you need to uninstall Kivy first. Then use the Conda install Kivy. Yeah. Bro. There's an issue when you enter the Conda install Kivy. My suggestion would be to uninstall the Kivy first, then just the Kivy Conda install again. Go. Could you guide him to uninstall the first?
I think when it saw a conflict, it should override. But
Yeah. Ooh, shit. Sir, did you access the website? Yeah, sure. This one, the Accenture. We created an environment. There's a notebook there.
Yeah, actually that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Oh, where's the black? It's right up there.
Spoiler. Did anyone successfully run the application? Yeah? Yeah, there's two of you. What is the...
You don't think it's something doesn't work?
Yeah, this is too. Yes, but yeah, it's taking too long because sorry, everybody installing packages, so it's taking too long. It's 692 KB.
I think by the time we're done, we just install.
Yeah, I'm really sorry. I didn't expect that it will not run on cloud. Yeah. The good thing is, even if the site is gone, you could still run the app because we installed already the packages in the machine. Oh yeah. So guys, are you newcomers? Okay. Do you have?
I'm copying it kasi I have local na
I see. Okay.
notebook ko.
Okay. We put the instructions in the site. You could access the instructions.txt file. So instructions.txt, so you can just copy and paste the commands and not type it one by one. Did you run it, bro?
Yeah.
What happened? You need to reinstall all the first. Nice.
Okay lang ba? Hindi ako nag-virtual environment.
I think okay lang po.
Fresh naman to eh.
Yeah, fresh naman po. Okay, okay lang po yan. What's happening? So you have to step update, sir. You're installing the... If you follow the instructions, our main Python file should look like this. Could just, for the newcomers, you could copy this. Then after we're done, you could run it. Then we'll see if it's running on your machine. Did it work? Did it work? Yes. It's on the root and it's on the website in the root instructions.txt. Under instructions.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Where are you now, sir?
Almost there.
Yeah, you can access there. Just to make it with, I upload the already done main PY file just to, so that we could move on to the next part. Whoa. Nice.
Puti lang siya.
What's happened?
Hindi mo open yung camera.
I see. We'll check. Could you resolution parentheses 720 480p? Yeah, 720 comma 480. Yeah, around. Solutions up to the solution. Put a space there, comma. Okay, around. Yeah. What happened? Could you please go? Non-type object is not callable. Could you please install the OpenCV?
OpenCV?
Yes. I think I didn't I put that in there?
Pit lang?
Yes, pip install OpenCV. What version are you using? 2.7?
No, 3.
2.6? I see. We'll let bro, could you assist sir? Non-type objects not callable. So I suggested that he installed OpenCV.
Yung resolution.
Yeah. I think we need to move on to the next part. It's okay. We'll just assist you if it's still installing. You too. Sorry, there's so many installing packages. It's 338. Okay. Yeah. The application should look like this right now. Everybody else can actually run the program.
Install pa sir? Install pa ng TensorFlow.
Yeah. Medyo malaki po yung TensorFlow. Yes. What's your update, bro?
We'll just copy this one.
Yeah. Did it run on you? It's still installing. Damn. Oh, bro, and
Yung ano pa dun?
okay. Could you go back to the code? So, did you install OpenCV?
Nope, haven't found the right version. Tara lang, hanapin ko lang yun. Meron akong OpenCV sa ibang source.
For the people who already can run the application, we'll move to the next part. I'll assist anyone who is can't run the application. So just raise your hands and we'll come and help you. Okay, we'll need to add the camera widget. The camera widget is used to capture and display video from a camera. We will use the built-in camera from our machines and then use that to export a PNG format file. Okay. For this one, we need to add the camera widget into the language builder. Yeah. We need to set the camera ID to camera for just easy reference, then set the resolution to 720 pixels. I think it's the baseline for all the built-in cameras on the machine, and gets clearer. And then set the play parameter to true so that when we open the application, the camera will be turned on as well. Okay. My machine is laggy as hell, that's why. It's just my machine that's loading slowly. I think it can run on your machine much faster. Yeah. Say hi to the camera. Hi. Well,
oh wait, no, it doesn't.
yeah, it doesn't. Wait, what happened? Oops. So ano bro?
Lalagyan ko lang ng OpenCV.
Ah, yeah. Sure. Go bro. Okay na? Gumagana na yun mo? Yay! Hi! Nice, nice. Could I see, could you put orientation vertical here?
Okay.
Yep. Ano ba? Against that. Tagal na 40s. Siguro, ay, sige pa. Meron po din kasi kami talang sariling LET para doon nakakonect para kasi masyado na tayo. Dami nakakonect. Kaya ang bagal. Tanong natin. Mikyo. They're downloading the packages but it's really slow. Could we let them connect to the thing? Yeah. Could you assist the sir? Okay, now that we've successfully imported the camera widget, we will now go to the next part. The next part is to actually export the frame to a PNG format. Okay. There are 5 things that we need to do. First is we'll point to the camera widget's ID. The ID is what we put here in the camera widget parameter. Then export the image to that PNG format. Create a folder for the exported image. Add a logger, just a healthy logger, just detailing that we have now captured the image and exporting to PNG format. Then set the camera parameters to false so that when we press the capture button, the camera will close. Yeah. Need to add this in. Oops, hi. The language builder should look like this before we start. You could change the ID if you want. Sorry. Ano nangyari? You're using Conda, right?
Nope.
Could you alt tab? Oh, virtual M?
Yes, virtual M.
Virtual M. See. Sir, update, bro. It's working. Okay. Sorry. About you guys?
You're still downloading. It's kind of slow.
Yeah, I think they need to connect to our network.
We couldn't find the Wi-Fi.
Oh, let's cancel this one first.
How about you guys? How are you?
Limited.
Is it running? Yeah, what's up? Where did you export the image?
I don't know.
Oh my god, you have the copy of the teacher. Yeah, but yeah, actually. Hang on. You need to. Did you create the folder? Images in the.
Oh no.
Yeah, you need to create.
Image lang.
Yes. Yeah. Because it will. Yeah. Could you do it? Sup. Yay. Sup. Yeah. About you.
I'm still installing the dependencies.
Okay. Yeah.
No, it's not that.
Sorry, it's. work on you, bro? Well, moving on, we will now put the capture method to the event trigger on press on the button widget. For this, we will need to edit the language builder and then put the on press.
Does anyone else have any trouble trying to connect to the Wi-Fi? Or wait, Jai?
Yo.
Did someone try accessing this Wi-Fi particularly?
Are you guys connected to this?
Because because this is fake. It's supposed to be this one here.
What did
The
someone?
real password is this one.
I didn't know that.
Neither did I. No, I just found it.
God, my machine's so slow. Yes, sir.
Should I copy the code here?
Yeah, yes,
From here?
yes.
Okay. My
Just a boilerplate. Okay. Port Kivy, then follow the go here. There are instructions that to the the app class is the base for creating Kivy applications. Kivy.ui. By the way, okay, just go to your text or text editor or using Pycon. Okay. Just that one. The fill in the blanks. That's the end. Okay, just delete that. Select it all.
delete.
Yeah. Yeah. There. Then kv.app from kv.app port. Actually, could copy this one. Oh, what's that?
Hindi pala ako nag-work na naman. Isang capital.
Ano pa yung issue?
Nagyari na ganun sa
Could not find the. What version are you using for Python?
Python 3.7.
What can't find for pip install TensorFlow. Can't find version satisfies.
Baka Python 3.6.
Yeah.
Kasi dito siya napunta sa drive C.
Okay. What happened, bro?
Yung camera kayo may problem.
Ah, yeah. I think naging issue din yan pag... Is that VM? VM na Ubuntu? Okay. I see. Parang I need ata permission for that. Yeah. Yes.
Sagdi rin yung Pycon.
Yeah. Is it running on you? Yun, ano yung nangyari? Is it running on you guys?
I just thought I didn't follow this yet.
For the Inception stuff. So it's running on you na, di ba?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can export to image. I see. It's good. It's good. Did you install the packages before, bro? Or just now? Okay, that's good. Ah, so, yeah.
Nag-error to sa on-press.
Attribute error. Ay, where did I? Oh, sorry. Sorry. Yeah. Mind is all over the place. Ano nangyari? Kivy.uix.button. For anyone who's completed in the camera widget, we can now export to that PNG format. And now this is the real work, the real work. We will now use the Inception V3 model. Kindly go to the notebook again. Because TensorFlow is an open source library, their code is openly available to everyone. We can access the code from this link in your notebook. And just copy the whole thing. Create a, for me it's going to be image recog.py. Then save that. Then we'll import this to the main.py. After that, we will copy the main method from the image recog file and copy it to the main. So, okay. deleted my main. Ano nangyari, bro?
Yan, ayaw pa din eh. Kahit gumagana na yung cam ko.
Sup? Ano yung error?
Ganun ka din.
Non-type object is not callable.
Dun sa...
Sa resolution,
Mm.
right? I think I installed... Could you install this package? The lib OpenCV. Oh wait, sorry. The exact. Oh, good. Sorry. Did you run it? Yeah,
Not yet.
it's working.
Still this part.
How about you, bro? Is it working on you?
Oh yeah, it's working.
Yeah. Yeah, this one, bro. You need to install this. Lib OpenCV. Oh no. What? What Ubuntu? Ano Ubuntu 18? Oh, I see. OpenCV Python. Dependencies too, pero sa Conda kasi if you use the Conda install OpenCV, it will work too. If sir. Well, moving on, we will now make a modification to the capture method. We will add clear widget and then call the main method. For that, if we press the capture button, all the widgets will be cleared, and then we will call the Inception V3 model. Okay. Jairus friend ako. How's it working on you so far? Capture. Oh yeah, you're downloading the Inception V3 model. Yeah. Is it the whole code already, or is there something missing? Ah yeah, it's still missing. Stop. And lastly, go to the image recog Python file, then go to the run inference on image method. Then we will now modify it a bit for our application. We will format the predictions and score and then put it into a string. Set the score to a 0.5 decimal format, then set it so that it will return the string for the main PY file. Sorry. This one. Yeah. What happened, bro?
Pero yung OpenCV yung may problema.
Camera OpenCV objects. No attribute FPS. Self.fps. Weird. Can you go to this? Yeah, can you go with that? Then go bot. Can you scroll down?
No, scroll down.
Yes, go down. Go here. Go this one, the clock schedule interval. Then go end. 1/self FPS.
Pwede kong burihin.
No. Yung could you 1/.
Ah, 1/self.
Yeah. Yep. It's not the solution per se, but there's an issue with OpenCV that it's running slowly on some machine. Self FPS camera.
Hindi na makakuha yung FPS na.
FPS ng camera. Yeah. Okay, wait. It's not working, but self.fps. I think it's with Ubuntu working with the camera. I think there's a yeah, but before that error occurs, this one will self.fps is not actually getting some. It's undefined self.fps. Kumana na? Yes, sir.
Pwede natin kapihin natin yung code.
I see. Sorry. Asan po kayong port?
Ah,
Asan part na po? Yeah. Did it work, bro? What happened? So, local variable string not defined. Yeah. This is before the loop. Before the loop, let's see. Go back to the main. Then instead of format string, could you delete that whole thing? Yeah. Yeah. Then run it. Ooh, you're a television, bro. You could test it with some objects if you want. Or better yet, I have this one. Flashcards. Well, if you finish the code, this the image record should look like this one. Basically, we need to initialize a string, then append the string whichever the inception will pick up another object or anything, then we'll format it to a 0.5 float, then return it so that when we use it in our main.py file, we will return the string and then display it using our label widget. So let me run it. Sorry.
sir, makopya natin yan, yung final code ko.
Yes.
Mamaya na lang.
Yeah. Yes, sige.
Kasi hindi kasi
Yeah. Sige, okay lang po.
sulat ba?
Okay lang po. We'll test it po. We'll pass along. Actually, ito gumagana na. Sige po, sir. Ano lang pa na. Oh yeah, now we can test it. What will Inception will capture? Healthy lagger. It's a water bottle. We can use this stuff if you guys want to test using flashcards. Yay! Let's check if it can get the turnip. For anyone who already finished the code, we have flashcards available for you to test, or just my stuff if you want, my wallet or license or anything. Yeah. Let me test it first. It's my favorite fruit. What? This is called hyacinth beans. Why? But I don't. Is it really the jackfruit or winged beans with
Pomelo's an exotic fruit.
will it actually get hyacinth beans? Then drum roll. What? What you get? Book jacket. That's our letter opener. Menu. What? Can we test another one? Oh, so then something simple. Start something. Watermelon. Sorry, my machine is so slow to visit or request a new one. Doesn't even have a GPU.
It doesn't have carrot in it.
Will Kivy use GPU when it's available?
Yeah, yes, I think. I'm really sorry for the issues that we encountered so far in the workshop. But yeah, we just built a simple image recognition app using Kivy with TensorFlow for the real test. Not banana or banana. Banana. Going once, going twice. Oh, yeah. Orange.
It's an orange.
Whoa.
It's
What? What's ananas? Pineapple ananas.
Ananas.
Well, yeah, that's the app.
Actually, let's try it again.
Yeah, if anyone else is having some problem, we'll be making the final code available for everyone. We'll upload it on our site so that you could try at home. The instructions, it's already on the website. For now, if you want to test, I will just let you upload the final code so that you could have. Sorry.
The last shade.
Did it get banana?
Yeah, it got
Yay!
The TensorFlow is out of the box. You did not use anything. The TensorFlow we used is out of the box.
Ah, yes. Yeah. We just used their example for the actual. Actually, we're using the Inception V3, which is from 2015. But there are other available models to be used. There's. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I'm just sending this file so that it will be available. See. Okay. Just let me upload the final code so you could test. If anyone else have questions or something about the workshop or outside the workshop or about Accenture, about thing, my colleagues will try to answer all of the questions. They did. They're just having some talk. Ah, yes.
Kivy app.
Yes. Sorry.
Kivy script can be built into a mobile app, right?
Ah, yeah. Unfortunately, I cutted the part where we could actually deploy to Android because right now, even in the fine print in their docu, it says deploying to Android only works experimentally. We need to install specific versions and whatnot, and it's a day's work really. I couldn't compile it into a part, but if Kivy streamlines their deploying to mobile part, I think you could deploy this without any modifications whatsoever. It can work. Yeah, it can work.
And to add, if you're going to deploy sa phone, in the phone, Kivy has recipes on how you instruct on compiling it to APK. Like you're the one who's going to do it. Like for instance, TensorFlow, you're going to specifically build the TensorFlow that's specifically for mobile. I mean, using Python for Android, Python-4-Android. But that module is also created by Kivy, and it has recipes for you to use on compiling APKs for Android. For iOS, it has its own as well, but you need a Mac to do it.
Yeah.
So
I tried it on Windows just to tell a little backstory. First there, we need the bulldozer library, right? But it doesn't work on Windows environment, so I needed to install a WSL or Ubuntu. Then on Ubuntu, it couldn't work as well. I needed to re-download the whole thing, the Android SDK and the NDK. Then I installed it, and then for some reason, SDK manager from Android is not working on WSL on Linux. And just I'm running to errors every time I make progress. That's why I cut the part about deploying to Android. Yeah, it's just it's gonna take a long time. Yeah, really. Yeah. Anyone have any questions yet? My colleagues can answer because, yeah, about computer vision, about image recognition, image detection, thing.
Just a clarification. The thing we did right now is image recognition rather than detection. So,
Yeah.
you have a question, sorry?
Oh, how do you use this technology in Accenture? Is
In
there any-
Accenture, as in we applied it in
Yes.
industry. At the moment, in Accenture Philippines particularly,
Sir.
we're
Mike. Mike.
So in Accenture Philippines particularly, computer vision is still kind of new, but we do imagine its applications to pre-existing industries right now is a very big hope. For example, in areas, for example, in retail, for example, instead of using barcodes, you could use images of the food that you're going to use instead. There was one area that we wanted to get into where for a construction equipment retailer where basically we needed to check if everyone had hard hats. So that's also one application to it, but that's kind of more of image detection rather than image recognition. Where, by the way, image detection is you kind of you have a group of images here where in the picture is this particular thing. So think about the Where's Waldo kind of thing. Like for example, in this picture here, where's the chair? So chair.
And also tracking, right? You need to track that.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
In real time.
But at the moment, we're kind of doing proof of concepts for now, and for full depth, I think I've seen videos out where it's being applied in, for example, in public safety, where video cams are smart enough to detect if there's an ongoing incident or if there are bags that are left. For example, in an MRT station, for example, there is a suspicious item that was left behind. That could be identified, and then it would be reported to to officers to inspect. So yeah,
Yeah.
lots of possible opportunities.
Yeah. Just to add, the computer vision is very new, just because of the recent advancement in the.
It kind of sounds new now, but it's
Oh,
actually
yeah.
a very old thing
Yeah.
already. Especially with the age of digital cameras. If you notice, like the old digital cameras, I'm not referring to the phone cameras,
Yeah.
where it can where if you right before you take a shot, it autofocuses on the face, like boxes of faces.
Smile recognition.
Those are applications of computer vision early on before.